Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking structure. Look for bent legs, loose bolts, or torn fabric. Replace or tighten immediately. Once done, position the canopy on level ground and orient it so the fabric can drain toward a slight edge. Even a 0-1 degrees slope helps. Now raise the canopy and use support poles plus ratchet straps to tension the roof evenly. You want uniform pull to avoid low spots, but don't over-tension. Fabric should be tight, not strained, so it sheds water instead of sagging. Make deliberate drainage channels. Add a central ridge or peak bar to guide water off the canopy and prevent ponding. Once the peak is secured, pull corners down and adjust guy lines so water flows toward the edges. If needed, lower one side by 1-2 to create a clear downhill path. Reinforce seams and stitching at stress points with seam tape or hand-sewn patches, because water will exploit weak joins. As you tune lines, test with a bucket of water and watch where it pools. Finish by performing a full test. Spray the canopy with a hose to simulate rain and watch runoff closely. If you see pooling, adjust straps, change anchor points, or raise a corner slightly. Make one change at a time so you know what fixed it. For stubborn sag, add an adjustable center support or install a removable gutter to force drainage. If fabric is compromised, replace that panel, don't patch and hope. Troubleshooting tip. When pooling recurs, check for uneven anchoring or a hidden bent leg, because those...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.